Hi, today I'm going to show you the 3D faces from object command. This is useful if you get a solid from a source. It could be Revit, it could be AutoCAD, and you want to extract just the top faces of it. This is something that might be difficult to do manually because we don't really keep track of what is bottom and what is top. In the function, you can select which one you want to extract. In this case, I just want to have the top surface or the top 3D faces. I'm going to set a layer for my 3D faces, and it's also going to export the boundary of these 3D faces. When I click OK, 3D faces are exported and they are also selected. To make sure that I keep this as a selection set, I'm actually going to store this as a selection set. And that means that when I now go to add this to my surface as a drawing object, I'm going to add this as 3D faces. I'm also going to maintain the edges. And now instead of selecting them, I'm going to use my selection set A to get a good selection. But as we can see, it's not respecting the edges of these 3D faces. So that is why the command also exported the boundary. So now I'm going to add this 3D polyline that I got, and I'm going to add it as a boundary. Click OK. And now I have a surface that is the exact top of my solid.